Welcome to another trade of the day here at TraderTV.Live. We got Camber Energy once again. Short seller report, big flush to $1 yesterday's action. They come out today saying they will not be doing another split. That had it gapping into the upside, is always going to start with a higher time frame look. Look, as you can see, the fall through $3 was quite dramatic. It broke that $1 level. I'm telling you, it was a big gangbusters move down to 88 to 90 cents or so. You come in today and you have the gap up, right? So you're immediately thinking, what are the important levels? First thing we look at is, I'm going to start with the recovery off of the bottom, right? So when it was halting to the downside, it put in a top here at about 173. So that's your first level of concern. It then put yourself into a lower high here the following day. And this is a 141 level. And then another lower high came in the afternoon of yesterday's action at 133. And that held for almost the entire day. And that's where the real wipeout ended up happening, breaking the previous low. So now that we have established those levels, coming in today, I'm thinking to myself, after a flush like that, there's going to be some sell pressure. And we're going both ways in this trade because you got to when you're trading. Essentially was a penny stock at this particular point. Below that 133, first we're scalping a short in front of it, about 130 or so. Once that level is violated, that 133 breaks, I'm out. I want to see the test. This is exactly at 141. This is our previous lower high as well. We let it test that high, no break. Okay, I'm not going into the short. I'm thinking at this point, I want to see how the stock reacts. It comes below that 133, and here's the key. It puts in a lower high. At this point, I was actually trying to catch a bid off this previous support at 120. It never dipped that far. It then channels a little bit, and I was actually trying to look at this level here where it broke up 128. Was very, very fortunate enough to be able to catch a fill at that 128 price. Again, sometimes it's better to be lucky than to be good. Get on a reverse gateway, you get a fill first. On the way up, I'm thinking take out a bunch of shares here, about 75% in front of that 141 and hold through the break. That's what we do. Once it takes out 141, now I'm looking for the runner. All the way up to what level? That 171, that's what we're talking about here. Once it gets to 171, I am going to be thinking short in front of it as a momentum trader. So I'm going to get all flat once it's stalled out at about 160 or so. And then I'm thinking, where is the short going to be? The turn comes just shy of that 171 at 168. I jump into the short position. We get a bunch of it out here in front of 150. It does retest the high, so we do cover the last 25% when it broke that high. But that's how you look at a trade and go with the momentum in both directions if you can when you're going to be a day trader. So I didn't say one way or the other. I was willing to play both, all about the key levels. Hey, how did you do? Because go long and strong would have worked probably just as well if you're aggressive enough. So let us know in the comment section below how you traded Camber Energy. And as always, tune in morning, lunch, and for Power Hour at TraderTV Live. We'll see you in the market.